It's time. It's time for Gramps to go. So this is the trail I took. It was about 4 miles out, 4 miles back. Pretty much followed the yellow trail for the most part. Maybe got sidetracked here and there, but it was fun. Might be a little crazy doing this in the dark by myself. Hopefully we find our way. Okay. When I start the pathway, I think it's gonna get harder from there. Okay, about 2 miles in. Hopefully we'll get there. When I started off, it was dark and foggy. I wanted to get there before the sunrise, but when I did, it was still foggy. Well, 10 to 7, I made it. It's an awful day though, rainy, cloudy, but maybe the sun will peek through for a minute when it rises. Still friggin' awesome. You just see the clouds racing by. It's beautiful. It's probably amazing in the summertime or the fall. All the colors. There's a bunch more pictures I took of the hike. It's pretty cool. A lot of fog on the way up. On the way down, though, got really nice. Met a guy at the top. I didn't take his picture, but he's a pretty cool dude with a little dog. Once the sun came out and burned the fog off, the view was beautiful. And went back down. Met some other hikers on the way. Quite a few of them actually, young and old both. That was kind of fun. There were some outhouses and structures on the way. Saw a little caterpillar. Yep, good times. Alright, heading back down. It was a good trip. Hopefully down I'll get some good pictures too. Well, made it back down. Legs are like jello. But I made it. We'll see how the night goes.
That's all, folks.